Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. Today's news headlines for School Morning Assembly. Former Rajasthan Chief Minister Vasundhara Raje has demanded that Rajasthani be accorded the status of official language of the state. Assam specialty tea auctioned at record 99,999 per kg. Golden Pole tea owned by AFT Techno Trade went under the hammer at Guwahati Tea Auction Centre. Air India saw over 60 pilots under government ownership. Hijab Raw. Karnataka classes 11 to 12 colleges to reopen on Wednesday. Chief Minister Bommai asked the authorities to make arrangements for security at campuses. COVID booster efficacy reduces significantly by fourth month, a US study says. And now some international news. Sanctions must be lifted, says Iran amid ongoing nuclear talks. Canada's Justin Trudeau imposes emergency powers to end truckers' protest. Canada police seize weapons, arrest 11 protesters at US border. All elements in place. Russia ready for attack on Ukraine, says France. And now some sports news. IPL auction 2022, a total of 204 players were sold and Rs 551.70 crore was spent by the 10 franchises. Brazil Argentina ordered to play FIFA World Cup abandoned qualifier. Indian Super League Kerala Blasters defeated East Bengal on Monday. Christian Eriksen played his first match in a Brentford shirt on Monday, celebrating his 30th birthday by appealing in a friendly just 8 months after suffering a cardiac arrest. And these are today's news headlines. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day.